So these just came in today in our mail. Um, these are called the JBuds Air True Wireless from the brand JLab. We actually had a difficult time getting this. We've been checking our emails when it was gonna come in. They tell us one day, and then
it takes another day,
yeah.
And then it said it got delivered, and to our front door. We checked. There's nothing there.
Yeah, so it says it was delivered in the morning. Nobody showed up. Later on during the day, they finally drop it off, and we barely get another email. So it got delivered twice. Apparently, it got delivered twice. And but yeah, we thought this would be a good idea to do an unboxing video. And after the unboxing, these will go to her.
Yes.
So here's the JBuds Air True Wireless. This is the front of the box. Right in the front it says it's gonna get you 24 hours of playtime. So yeah, like I believe it's supposed to be 6 hours on the earbuds and 18 hours with that charging case. These are gonna be used by my wife, especially when she exercises. This will be good for her to listen to her music. So more on the box. Let's go to the side here. So you can, if you want to read all this, you can just pause the video and you can see it. See what it says here. But basically what's inside the box is the earbuds, the charging case. Looks like the USB cable is connected, or it's like attached to it. And then back here, you can pause the video if you like, so you can see or read everything here. But it just gives you like a brief description, preview of what's here, or what you can experience on this earbuds. And then right here, it's just a photo saying that it's official audio partner of Major League Soccer. And you got the top, hashtag find your goal, and then you got the bottom in case you want to pause this and read this as well. And right here it tells you battery 24 hours, 6 hours in earbuds, so exactly what I said, 18 hours in the charging case. Yeah, exactly what I said. Okay, so now let's get started on opening them. So one of the supplies you need is just a knife. Go ahead. Unless you have sharp fingernails, then you can do that too. And just simply slide it. So now a little bit more of the box. You can pause the video if you like and see this. It just tells you some things on the controls, some controls that you can see. You can learn more a little bit on this video as well. Same thing on the bottom. And just open this.
Wow.
Now you got this plastic paper, and now you can see the earbuds and the charging case. Oh, it's already lighting up. Wow, okay. Let me see if I can.
So it's already charged?
It might be charged.
With a little bit.
I mean, usually it's recommended to charge them first before actually using them.
And they have magneted, no?
Yeah, they just magnetize on there. So you can see that. Those are the little magnets. It has this little piece too. These little rubber pieces. They just snap right underneath. There's the USB cable. And you just plug it into any USB port, like your computer, or if you want to plug it to your own phone charger or so. But yeah, it doesn't look like a normal USB like that you see on USB thumb drives, like this right here. It's just the bottom part of it, so you can just plug it in just be sure you're putting it in correctly. And I mean, basically, if it's not in correctly and it's not charging, then just flip it around. Now let's get the little ones. So here it is. Here's this. Let's see. I would wonder if it would say left or right. Oh, there it is.
Yes.
Now there's the R. So it says right. So this is the right one. I'll put it on the right side. And this is obviously the left. And you can see that there. Left. Now let's see what's more in this box. You can actually just take this whole thing out. And it just not a clip on, it was just pushed on there because of the box, so it just easily comes out. So these are the extra earbuds. Depending on the size of your ear, you can just replace them, small, large. I believe what's on it is a medium, but you can switch them out if you like. And you have the manual. And the manual should teach you how to pair them, and some buttons from the earbuds, what the buttons mean, what you can do. So your left one has button functions for volume, the Siri for iOS, OK Google for Android phones, track back. You gotta press and hold for one second. Turn on, press and hold for 2 seconds. Turn off, press and hold for 5 seconds. And then change equalizer. And then you have the right, which is volume up. The volume up button. This is normally the volume down. You can answer phones by tapping it once. Hang up the phone by tapping it twice. You can reject the incoming call in case you don't want that person calling you. This will do it. Press and hold it for 1 second or more. Play and pause, you gotta double press for your songs. Track forward, press and hold for 1 second. To turn it on, you gotta press and hold for 2 seconds, just like it shows for the left side. Same thing for the right side to turn it off. And you also got the change equalizer, triple press, and you can change from these 3 different equalizers. So yeah, I really don't want to read all of this, so I'm just gonna put this here, and you can pause it just to read it. Now I'm gonna go to the next one, and I got at least to the part, I guess the most important part with these buttons. And you could even pause the video for this part on your first time setup. And then let's see the back. Some troubleshooting advice. So even if you're not a technician, this teaches you how to troubleshoot your device in case if it stops working. All right, so we're gonna get started on pairing these earbuds, the JLabs. So yeah, as long as you follow these first time setup instructions, these are from the same manual, and right here it's literally telling you that you press and hold both the left and right, and hold it for 3 seconds until the left one turns solid white and the right one blinks blue and white. So let's go ahead and try to do that. And press it again. Oh yeah, there it is. Now you can see. So this one's solid white and this one's blue and white, blinking. Okay, so after that, the next step is to actually get your iPhone and go to the settings application and open up the Bluetooth application or the Bluetooth setting to look for JLab JBuds Air. In case if you have an Android phone, just so you know, I mean, we are pairing this to my wife's iPhone. She doesn't have an Android, so we'll show you from an iPhone. But in case if you have an Android phone, it's basically the same. Just go to the settings application, look for Bluetooth, and just look for that name, JLab JBuds Air. So yes, on your iPhone, as we can see, we already see the JLab JBuds Air. So we will tap on that. And we just wait, and apparently these earbuds is supposed to give us a voice automated thing saying Bluetooth connected, followed by white lights letting us know they are paired, which that's happening. We didn't listen to them, but I'm pretty sure it said Bluetooth connected. But yeah, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Real simple. And then in case you start using it for phone calls, or you want to use a Siri or iOS, then you just come to these button functions here, and these once you get used to it, you'll memorize it all. But yeah, it's real simple. I'm pretty sure they work well, and but yeah, now my wife will be happy and use these whenever she works out, or if she just wants to listen to music. But yeah, that's our video. I hope you enjoyed it.